Hello and welcome. You are logged on to IndianTimesDaily.com, the only portal for news from India, America, Canada, Punjab and Gujarat in English, Punjabi and Gujarati, with a list of well-established businesses and resources that you may need. I'm Neetu Sharma and today's headlines are: the ICJ has suspended former Indian Navy Commander Kulbhushan Jadhav's death sentence by Pakistan. President Donald Trump has claimed that he pressurized Pakistan into arresting 26/11 mastermind Hafiz Saeed. CM Amrinder Singh is yet to take a call on his colleague Navjot Singh Sidhu's resignation. Mumbai terror attack mastermind and JUD chief Hafiz Saeed has been arrested in Pakistan. The US has removed Turkey from the F-35 fighter jet program, and the SAD is all set to challenge the CBI closure report in the Barghari sacrilege cases. Stay tuned to IndianTimesDaily.com, and I'll be back with all the news that's important for you from India, America, and Punjab. For detailed news and businesses updates of the Indo-American community, download the Indian Times Daily app. Welcome back to Indian Times Daily. The top 10 headlines from India are: the ICJ has asked Pakistan to review and reconsider conviction and sentence of Kulbhushan Jadhav and also called for a continued stay on his execution. The death penalty was given in 2017 to the former Indian Navy commander who was convicted of being a spy. It also stated that Jadhav must be given consular access. Mumbai terror attack mastermind and JUD chief Hafiz Saeed has been arrested on terror financing charges in Pakistan, just days ahead of Pakistan PM Imran Khan's maiden visit to the US. The Pakistan government has been under pressure from the FATF to act against terror outfits and terrorists operating out of Pakistan. Buoyed by the Supreme Court's favorable order on their joint petitions to abstain from the assembly, 15 Karnataka rebel legislators of the ruling Congress JDS alliance said that they would not attend the session on Thursday. The opposition BJP claimed that the Congress JDS coalition has been reduced to minority. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said that India and China are respecting bilateral pacts and efforts are on to maintain peace and tranquility on the line of actual control. Singh said that Indians should be assured of their safety and security. The center will identify illegal immigrants staying in any part of the country and deport them as per international law, Home Minister Amit Shah has said. He was replying to a supplementary query on whether the National Register of Citizens will be implemented in other states other than Assam as well.